Yeah.
.android studio, right?
Yeah.
I have certain folders here, which it has listed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
My point is, in Windows, we can also do it normally. Like
Yeah.
if you click on File Explorer,
Yeah.
okay, it will manually show you whatever you need to see. Or if not, if I want to see that through command prompt, I can see it like this.
But why you want to see through command prompt? Directly also you can see, na?
That's good. That's good.
Uh,
See,
uh, yeah.
sometimes
Uh,
you may be provided systems where
uh,
you can only use or you can access the command prompt.
okay.
You get the point?
Yeah,
Due to some
maybe it
constraint.
is damaged or something, no? Yes,
Right.
to
So
repair
if
it,
it
to
is
repair it, yeah. To retrieve to
exactly.
retrieve the files.
In fact, so whatever damage happens to the computer,
Yes.
you could still always, through
Yeah.
an external hard disk, you could
Yes.
still always access the
Yes.
command prompt,
Correct.
no matter whatever happens.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then you can basically see
Yeah.
all the data that you have stored. Yeah.
Yes.
It
Yes.
also, in fact, shows the size also of the data. So
Okay.
2750.
Okay.
This is this. Okay. I
Yeah.
think this is a little bit larger file. Yeah.
Okay.
This is so many bytes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it shows different files and also the size
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I type make directory here, okay.
Yeah.
If I type mkdir here, okay, I can actually make a folder. Okay, let's say I make a folder called C classes.
Okay. C underscore classes.
Yes, C underscore classes,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So now a folder should have been created. Make
Yeah.
directory C underscore classes. So now a folder should have been created. I'll just maybe run the dir command again to verify that. C underscore classes. So is there a C underscore classes?
Yeah. There is.
You can. So you can even see it here now, if you want. You can even now check it here. See, when was it created? 8:43. 13th of September. Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Oh, just now. Okay.
Right, just now. Yeah.
Okay. So before that it wasn't there. It is just there right now. You made it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my point is,
Yeah.
this is all application interface, right? So this is all basically software. Okay.
Yeah.
See, what you are essentially doing in C.
Yeah.
Okay, what you are essentially doing in
So
C
one
is.
question may I ask? You have done in IIT. You have done your BE in what? Computer engineering?
No.
In
Civil
what?
engineering.
You did in civil engineering, sir?
Yes.
I also did diploma in civil engineering. Then how you learned?
Glad to meet a fellow civil engineer. Yeah. So it's like this. So usually you have to basically work on projects which require a lot of software. Okay.
Yeah.
So the thing is, even though I did civil engineering, right? See, I'll tell you the reality, ground reality.
Yes, sir.
See, you have to work on a lot of software. Okay.
Yes.
See, I had worked. I'll tell you. There is a supercomputing facility in my alma mater, right?
Yeah, I have been to IIT Mumbai, because I used to take tuitions from one PhD person, Mr. Shashikant Yadav, for the 12th standard. Yeah, to do maths again, which I had dropped maths. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I know IIT Mumbai. I have seen the lab and all of chemical engineering.
You see, so there is actually that facility in which they were running quite a lot of simulations. Okay.
In Kharagpur, in IIT Kharagpur.
It's not. Param. Actually, the supercomputing facility is actually called as Param. In India, we have in IIT Kharagpur. That's actually a great privilege. I take great privilege to say we have a supercomputing facility.
Yes, of course.
So we had to run. So we had to run. So as a part of an assignment, we had to run certain project where it was like, see, I will do some part. Okay, my partner would do some part. So all the students we were under a guide. So all the students would actually complete a part of the code.
Yes.
Because it's like everything would finally get compiled into a big mega project.
Yes.
So the thing is that simulation is quite large.
Yes.
Just like if you see, let's say what NASA does, right?
Yes.
See, I'll tell you what type of work NASA does.
Yes.
So they try to basically align like the data
Yes.
of all the planets in the space, and they try to create these trajectories.
Yes.
So if it is like, let's say, if you are trying to launch a satellite to a particular planet,
Yes.
okay,
Yes.
what path would you follow?
Yes.
What path would you
The
follow?
the shortest path.
True, but
Yes.
it's not that easy to say.
Yes, yes.
Because
it
there is a
keeps.
lot of parameters.
Yes, because they keep
There's a lot
moving
of-
also. The planets and the positions keep changing also.
Correct.
Yeah.
And this is space we're talking about. So it's
Correct.
like a lot of bodies could actually influence
Yeah.
the gravitational motion, because there's no gravity in space actually. So
Right.
the lot of planets which are there,
Yes.
okay, they actually influence the motion of every particle which is moving on in space, right?
Correct.
So it's like this.
Yeah.
So they do actually require a lot of computation, extensive computation to calculate that.
Absolutely, yes.
So if on a computer of this RAM, right?
Yes.
My RAM, okay, from the computer that I am presenting, I'll tell you, this is 4 GB RAM. That's all.
Okay.
It's not sufficient.
Yes.
Okay. And 4 GB is actually considered a lot by when you compare.
Yeah, I think mine is 2 GB RAM. Yeah.
Usually it's compared as an improvement.
Yes.
Not just from that. I mean, I'm saying decades wise.
Yeah.
In 60s and 70s, people used to, have computers of maybe in KBs or MBs.
Yes, yes. And one whole room would be one computer.
One big, there used to be like one big box, which is exactly what you're describing. It's like a room size.
Yeah, room size. Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. So it's computationally we have advanced. However, we still need a lot of facility to just maybe solve a lot of intricate problems.
Yes.
Just going and running is fine. So that's what people want. Okay, just go, run it, and then come back. My point is, to run all that, okay, we do need the languages, we do need the help of anything. Right? In fact, that's how the situation was. Okay.
So
there's a
what
lot
I want to ask you is, compute in civil engineering. I know you have a supercomputing thing and you had projects and all that, but computer engineering is totally different from civil engineering. I mean, from scratch, how did you learn computer engineering? When you did civil engineering, how did you learn from scratch? Like, even I did this diploma of 3 years from Government Polytechnic in Bandra. And 1 year I missed and 3 modules, but I don't know anything. So how you learned all this, like basics, how you learned, from where you learned of computer engineering?
I'll tell you. So I'll genuinely tell you. See, I did not have a laptop even before my BTech. Okay, I got my laptop only 1 year after when I joined the college, right? So the thing is, you just have to get the resources. Okay, you have to get people who can guide you with the resources. Of course, having the resources won't help. Yes. So you have to have people who will guide you.
Yes.
Okay? And see, the thing is, that's what I'm trying to say.
You are very lucky. You are very lucky, sir.
The whole point about supercomputer, why I told about that was because you do get a lot of sponsored projects. Now, here's the thing. They will not. Sometimes people will mentor you. Okay, and
you need a mentor.
But here's also what is important. You need to complete those projects as such within a deadline. So that was also there.
That was very difficult because you are already doing civil engineering.
Always a rush. Exactly.
So you're doing double shift, double duty.
I would say true. That sort of deadline or that sort of environment, actually, I would say, where you had to do stuff, I don't care. So it was like sometimes it used to get so bad that you had to pass the course as well, and you had to do
the project also.
Correct.
Because you had committed to it, you had promised.
And if you are unlucky, you fail sometimes to pass the line in course. My point is,
I understood, sir. I understood, but it was your own enthusiasm and energy and interest.
And
intelligence, of course. See,
I'll tell you. You can also train yourself to achieve that intelligence. Okay. So
No, it's genetic also.
I'll do that. Don't worry.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Maybe it will take. You may think. See.
Yeah.
You may think it may take some time,
Yeah.
which is not wrong, but you
Sir,
will
I'm
definitely
so
get.
grateful to you. I'm so grateful to God. I feel like I've got some big lottery ticket.
Okay.
Huh.
So that. See.
I feel
Ultimately,
like I have got
you have
some
to.
blank check from somewhere.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. You have
Yeah.
to ultimately see what you can extract or what you can learn useful out of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only want to pass this
Also,
I only want to pass this, but understanding is very important
keeping
for
in
me.
mind,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Keeping in mind also the academic constraints that you have to
Yes.
satisfy, right?
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Yes.
of course, do that. Of
Yeah.
course, do that.
Yeah.
So yeah, as you said, you had said there are a bunch of courses which you are taking, right? See,
Yes.
discrete math is one. Okay,
Yes.
understood. Then what else? What else do you have?
Discrete maths, then the data structures,
Okay.
then database management system, SQL, then programming language Java, where we only get this multiple choice question, and microprocessor and computer organization and architecture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
So these are good subjects.
Yeah.
I would, which itself will enrich you a lot with
Yes,
a lot of knowledge.
if somebody like you explains, if certain people explain, even if I spend 1,000 hours, I will get nothing. They will also get irritated, and I also will don't know what is wrong here. Whether something is wrong with me or what. Whereas with you, no, I don't even need to ask too much, and I feel so good.
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So, for example, so if we take, so we'll plan. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what I'm thinking is,
Yes.
we will plan, right, accordingly,
Yes.
because as such you will be on a time basis, on a
Yes.
time bound basis. Like for example, if you're
Yes.
doing this semester right now,
Yes.
you would have maybe, I don't know,
So I have
some type
only
of
2 weeks
exams.
for the first 3 chapters. I have only 2 weeks for the
2 weeks for the
first three
all right.
modules. It means midterm exam is over for the others, but we direct second year admission students from diploma who has done the diploma, only a few students we joined just now 1 week ago.
I'll tell you. See,
Yes.
You can focus on this
Yes.
so far as to a point where you will get a decent grade. Okay. Think
Yeah,
about it
I
this
just
way.
want to pass, sir. I just want to pass, but understand, what is
Yes,
going on.
that is
Yeah.
important. That is important. Why?
Yes.
Because eventually,
Yes.
okay, you may learn everything.
Yes.
Even if I learn everything, even if I score high marks, right,
Yeah.
would not be as such very useful.
Yes.
Like what you said, when I'm not able to do some command, or when
Yes.
I'm not able to even execute something,
Yeah.
it would not be very beneficial. What I would suggest is,
Yeah.
we will go into studies as well. We
Yeah.
will go into acads as well,
Yes.
so as to take care of that.
Yes.
But also, you have to understand that keeping in mind the
Yes.
prospect that why you are doing this for, so that also
Yeah, the
will,
practical significance of what I'm studying. Yes, sir.
I'll just stop sharing.
Yes.
You can share your screen and
Yes.
you can open the online C compiler. What I want you to do is,
So I don't know how to do that.
okay.
Yeah.
So I'll show you.
Yeah.
I'll show you. Wait.
So, but do I need to do that? Because I'll be showing you what's in my computer, which I don't want. It's my privacy,
Oh, okay. You
Yeah.
haven't gone to privacy. Okay.
Yes, my
So,
privacy, because
see-
you will see, what is in my computer.
No.
That is
Wait,
like
wait.
opening my diary, sir.
No, but how would I know if you can execute the C program? I want you to execute the C program. That's all. All I want to know is if you can execute this. So which is why
Then
I'll
I
tell
have to. Then I have to do that.
now you have to do. Okay.
So,
That's
but
great.
how do
See,
I, no? But to execute the C program, for that I have to share the screen, no?
I'll show you. I'll show you what you can do. See,
Yeah.
I'll just open one meeting link. Okay, just hold on.
Yeah.
See.
Yeah.
So as soon as you join, okay,
Yeah.
the meeting, right? So you have some buttons below, right? You have these buttons like this.
Yes.
So you click on present. So there is a button which is like this. It will have a rectangular symbol inside it with an arrow mark in the meeting, I'm saying. Okay. So you click on that. Okay, and you don't have to show your entire screen. Okay, all you can do is you can show so there will be options like Chrome tab, window, okay, entire screen, right? So you just have to show the Chrome tab where you have opened the online C compiler. That's it.
Okay,
That's
now
good enough.
and I don't know how to do that. So if you can just tell me.
Right. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
So on the bottom, do you have these options? Do you see these options?
Let me see whether I have these options. 1 minute, sir. That is for the sound mute. That's on the extreme right. Then what are all
Do you
these?
see an option which is called present, which says present now?
Present now. You mean on the meeting screen?
Yes.
Acha, on the meeting screen, no, there is a that upward triangle and then there's a circle and there's a little square. Okay, let me see. Then there is this 4 people are there in the meeting. That way it is showing like 4. There's a number 4 above the
No.
person sign.
No. Wait. Where I am showing.
Yeah.
So the mute button. Okay. So come from here. Mute button.
I got that. Yeah. Yeah. And then this is a video button, and then there is a and then there is acha. There you are showing acha. Then there is a CC button. CC button, yeah. And then there's a smiley button, and then there's an arrow upwards. Yeah. I saw it. Got it. And then there's a palm is also there. Got it. I got it. I understood what you're talking about.
Present now. So click on that arrow button, right?
On arrow button, yeah. Clicked on it.
And then, did you open online C compiler?
No, I did not.
Okay. So immediately, what you can do?
Yeah.
Go to a new tab. Just go to a new tab.
Okay, let me. But when I go to a new tab, this won't go away, no? Okay, I'll try.
This will go away, but that's okay. So just go to a new tab.
Yeah.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Go to a new tab.
Yeah, I went to a new tab. Not new tab. I'm just new tab. Sorry,
Type online.
online C compiler. Yeah, I have to space, no? Space.
Space, of course. Yes, online word online.
And small
then
c.
Space.
Small c.
Small c.
Space.
Then space.
And then compiler.
Compiler. Yes.
And then I'll just press search or enter.
Yes.
Okay, online C compiler program is.
Yes, the first link would say program is, right? So click on that.
I clicked on that.
Great.
Now should I write run?
Now come back to the meeting. Now
how do I come back to the meeting?
So here, right? See, suppose if I want to go to a different tab, okay, see what do I do?
I know
come back to
on other computers I know, but on this laptop, no, there's something. Now I got the meeting. Now let me see if I got the meeting now, because I reduced it, minimized it.
Okay.
I got it. I got both. So now I'll go to the arrow, and then I'll put share now.
Wait.
Okay.
Chrome. In the Chrome tab, does it say an option called online C compiler, like how I am showing here?
On the it says program is. On top it shows www.programis.com.
Yes. Click on that. So click on that. Yeah.
Click on what? I know I already clicked. It's already on.
No, not. So see. Yeah. When you click on the share button, present now button.
There's share, there is run, and there is output.
Oh, no. So then you are not in the meeting screen then.
No, okay. I'm not in the meeting screen. I'm on the program screen. That compiler screen.
Meeting screen.
I'm at the meeting screen now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you see what I'm sharing?
Chrome tab and Windows. Choose what to share with meet.google.
Choose what? Right?
Yeah.
So you can also click on that arrow button. So how I got this was I clicked on this arrow button like this.
So I'll click on the arrow button now.
Yes.
Okay. When I click on the arrow button, they say this will let you take over from Harish. 1 minute. Let me just see what's
Continue.
I will take it from Harish M. Shri as the main presenter. And then they say cancel or share now. These two options are there. No, continue.
Share now. Share now.
Okay. So I've done that. Now they say choose what to share with Meet. The site will be able to see the contents on your screen. No problem. So online C
So
compiler is there, then WhatsApp is
you
there, and
click on
that's
that online C compiler. You need to click on online C compiler.
okay.
Yeah.
Got it. So I
Online, click on it.
I clicked on it.
Then
Then
the
it says
share.
share.
There
Then
is
it
a
says
share.
share. So shall I press
Yes.
share?
Yes.
Okay. So I
Yes.
press share.
Correct.
Yeah. Now it is sharing it.
Perfect. See, this is the first step in your success journey.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Because
You can say that
okay.
again.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because see,
pray.
my point was
It's all like wonder and magic. On 13th Friday.
uh-huh.
Yeah.
13th Friday. Okay. So do you also follow omens a lot?
No, no, I don't. I
That's
don't
okay.
believe in it at all.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
You shouldn't. Yeah.
Of course not.
Okay. Yeah, my point is, see,
Yeah.
someone asks you, right? Someone of your peers asks you
Yes.
to share maybe a program screen or
Yes.
this just the compiler. Let's say they
Yes.
want to test your ability. So
Correct.
you would have to share it, right?
Yes.
So today you learned, especially
Today I
today you
learned.
learned
Yeah.
an
It's
important skill, which is
a
that.
very
Yeah, of
great
course.
skill. Yeah.
Very good. Now
Yeah.
you now explain to me, okay, what is this stdio.h that I see?
I will tell you. Include it means standard input output dot header.
Right. And what is that? So okay, it's a header
It's a
file.
library. It's
I
a
get
library. It's a library
that. Right.
which contains the
Why do I
program
use
C
that?
files.
Correct. Why do I use this library?
You use this library because you need when you make a program, you need the computer to access it, so that it gets all those files.
Correct. So this header file is what is acting like the intermediary between this editor
Yeah.
and the compiler, which is inside, which is in the back end, right?
Yes. Between the editor and the compiler, which is in the back end, this is the intermediary.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is what is going to communicate whatever code you have written to the compiler.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah. Editor
And
to
the compiler executes that.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Compiler executes it. And the editor is the input.
Yes. Compiler executes. When I say compiler is just like a processor, right? So
Compiler
you have compiler.
is a processor, yeah.
Because it is what is going to execute whatever commands we give. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. What is this int main? So I'll tell you what is this int main.
Yeah.
Everything that you write in C, right?
So one
you have to
question I can ask you. One question.
Okay.
There are more job prospects in civil engineering or in computer engineering.
Now you're asking. Okay.
No,
See,
because I have also done this diploma. No, I could have continued in civil, but I did one internship with this metro. No, Mumbai Metro.
That's great.
Yeah, with MMR. Thank you, sir. I did. Luckily, I got that internship, free internship. Means I didn't get paid or anything. But 6 months or 3 months I was there. So this metro was there was nice infrastructure where they it was all elevated, all elevated metro rail. So I'll send you the PDF files. It's excellent with all the drawings and everything which they all gave me. But what I saw, no sir, there was not even one woman site engineer there. Not even one. All were men. So it was very difficult to get information because they would not they would form their boys. I mean, first day I would get because they were all curious. So they would tell me everything. After that, they would spread some rumors or something and they would all become one group and I would be isolated. So I said, my God, I can't do this, I need the team. I need team to get all the information, Then the next 3 months I worked, I did internship with a private residential building they were building. Like a 4-story building, they were just making the ground below the ground, what is that called, below the ground, that structure, no,
Foundation.
Yeah, they were just making the foundation. So that was going on, and so what happened is, so I wanted to see whether at least this I could work. No, but all the workers were okay. But the supervisor and the workers, no, they were not listening to me. They would only listen to a boy. They would only listen to a man. Like I didn't have any authority there, There was nothing I could do there. So I felt, oh my god, I can't do this because I just, and also it was like pollution was there. So I was inhaling all that cement and all, na. So
Hmm.
as I said, for health reasons also, I would like this,
See, I'll also share my reasons for coming in this particular line.
Yes,
You
sir.
see, I wanted to basically see
Yes.
first. I wanted to actually get a job in the market.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and especially during the time of lockdown,
Yes.
you can understand how critical it was.
Oh, it was very bad.
So to get a job in that market, okay.
Yeah.
So I only had to know these skills.
Yes.
My point being,
Yeah.
even the physical skills that I knew
Yes.
were rendered useless.
Correct.
What do
Correct.
we do as a civil engineer? The
Right.
problem was,
Yeah.
I did come into this line.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, slowly and slowly, so I'll tell you,
Yes.
initially I was just an entry level software engineer.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, and then I ventured as a data scientist.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Slowly, I started studying ML.
You started
basically,
studying ML by yourself. You started studying ML by yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
So and then I learned whatever was required to be a data scientist,
Yeah.
and then that is how now I'm currently
Yeah.
continuing as a data scientist. So
So
basically,
my
what I do
so
is
my branch is called
suppose-
AI/ML. My branch is called AI/ML.
correct. AI is a broader field. Okay,
Correct.
so I'll tell you what it is. AI is a broader field, right?
Yeah.
It's like this.
Yeah.
It's like just the human decision making capability
Yeah.
is what is AI, right?
Yeah.
AI is artificial. What is artificial intelligence?
So what
The
what
same-
Noel that fellow, no, I forgot his name. What he says is artificial intelligence is intellect minus emotions. So we have
Correct.
intellect plus emotions. So our decisions are balanced.
Hmm.
Yeah.
What is ML? See, I will tell you.
Yeah.
ML is a
Yeah.
specific subject in artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? See, the point where I train a model to, let's say, if I give it some data, right, it should give me some recommendation.
So
Just
model
like
means
how we were
model means computer. You train a model. A
Computer.
model means computer.
Yes. A program.
A program.
Okay.
Okay.
We can call it a program.
Yeah.
Okay. A software program.
Yeah.
So training a model so
Yeah.
that it gives me recommendation, just like how we were talking about the book recommendation or the Facebook
Right.
recommendation.
Right.
Initially,
Yes.
it gives me some that is ML. Venturing into that is basically ML. So training a model,
Yeah.
training an algorithm. I could say, see, I'll tell you specifically.
Yeah.
Training
Yeah.
an algorithm
Yeah.
so that it will collect the data,
Yeah.
and then from that data you get some useful insights.
Acha, so giving it a set of instructions, giving it an algorithm.
Correct.
That is called ML. I see. Oh my gosh.
so-
Yeah.
Because you see, artificial intelligence is such a vague term. It's such
Correct.
a huge term.
Correct.
What is that? Everything, decision making capability is artificial intelligence, right? Anything it can make anything it can take as a decision is artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
In that, ML is a particular branch.
Yes.
ML is a particular subject, okay, which
Yes.
is this.
Yeah. So, but
Training
we
the
can't
model.
allow AI to take decisions, na?
We can in certain cases.
Okay.
So here's what people are doing now. So you
Yeah.
said that, right?
Yeah.
Emotional quotient.
Yeah.
You talked about emotional. You know what computer scientists are doing?
Yes, sir.
So they're adding something called as a diplomacy rating. So it's like
Yes. Yes, sir.
at some places, you're right. At some places you will be basically very diplomatic, right? You'll give
Yes.
diplomatic answers.
Yes.
Just like even in your workplace, you just
Yes.
mentioned how
Yes.
people would not interact with the girl, right?
Correct.
My point,
I like the way you said it. I like the way you put it in one line.
yeah, they were so scared of maybe, I don't know, they were shy. Maybe you could take it, they were shy.
Sir, this is there in all countries and all industries. See, in medicine, in super specialization, a woman doctor has written in UK. A woman doctor has written a book where she went mad because these the other three doctors were forming their old boys club, and excluding her and gaslighting her and making her feel like she is nothing. It is something to do with evolution, where the male needs to feel superior and the woman should be in the kitchen. Otherwise, he loses his importance.
No,
you know.
that's also one thing.
Yeah.
See, you would also observe sometimes male people. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
they just sometimes also it's a conception in especially in India. I will tell you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
what happens is
Yes.
people are felt aware. People are made aware of the fact that if you talk, let's say if I talk with a girl, right? Let's say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They will immediately, as you said, they will immediately talk 2 plus 2 behind my back.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. You know,
In
some people
IIT
just
it is there, huh? Because there are very few women there. So there was a
yeah.
survey conducted. So the men, it was a very unhealthy situation where men were not getting to talk to women, not because they were shy or anything, but the opportunity was not available because there were no women, and that was creating a
I'll
mental
tell you the
health
ratio.
problem. Yeah.
I'll tell you the ratio. It is
Yeah.
10 to 1.
It is
For
even
10
less.
boys,
It
you have
was.
got.
It was even less. It was even
Yes,
less.
yes, yes, yes. True,
Yeah.
true. So true.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes it's just shyness. Sometimes it's just, as such, you don't get to talk with whom. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It should be an open forum
No,
for
it is
any,
not so simple, sir. That is just one aspect of it, huh, what you're saying. But it was much more complex than that in that situation. It was much more
I
complex.
can understand. I
So
can
see,
understand.
in British, that neurosurgeon, no, the specialized neurosurgeon, what those
Right.
other doctors were doing to her was not shyness, na. It was not shyness.
Hmm.
They were forming a group
Well,
and they were suppressing her. Why they were doing that? Because of
that
that
actually
male
that
instinct.
actually happens. Yeah, true. That actually especially happens in places where you have to take critical decisions. Like even you said, right, in civil engineering, on the ground you have to take a lot of decisions also. Yeah.
So, but it was
Happens
not
quite a
about
lot.
decisions. Huh? They were doing research and all, but they did not want to give her any credit or show that